Hello kids! Today we're gonna explore the secret of the deep sea. Let's see what we can found. Let's go! Look at that colorful thing, it's corals. There are hundreds of coral species of all colors, shapes, and sizes. Isn't that beautiful? Corals! Let's continue our journey. Look, someone is greeting you. It's Crab. Crab. Look at those tentacles. It's an octopus. Octopus. Octopus is masters of camouflage. Octopus. Look over there. That's sea turtle. Sea turtle can hold their breath for 5 hours underwater. Sea turtle. Look, something is dancing. That's dolphin. They're intelligent and super fast. Dolphin. Something big is coming. That's whale. One of the largest animal on Earth. And they love to sing. Listen. Whale. Something appeared from behind the coral. That's jellyfish. They have no brain and heart. Jellyfish. Look over there. That's sharks. Sharks are predators and they have many sharp's teeth. Sharks. Look! That's shrimp. Shrimp are excellent swimmers. There are thousands of shrimp species around the world. Shrimp. Wow! That's lionfish. The spines of this species can deliver a venomous sting. So watch your step. Lionfish. That's clownfish. Clownfish are extremely popular pets. Isn't that cute? Clownfish. Look, that seal. Seals are mammals that live mostly in cold seas. Seals have 2 pairs of flippers for swim. Seal. Look behind us. That's squid. A squid has large eyes and many tentacles. Squid. Look at the beautiful fish over there. That's angelfish. Domestic angelfish come in almost every color of the rainbow. Angelfish. Look at the funny fish over there. That's pufferfish. pufferfish can inflate into a ball shape to evade predators. Pufferfish. Look! That's stingray. We must keep distance, because stingray venom is fatal for human. Stingray. Something appears from behind the coral. That's seahorse. They have a neck and head shapes like horse. Seahorse. Thank you for accompanying me on an adventure in the ocean. We have learned a lot today. See you on the next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye, kids.